T.
I think of you, and it easy.
What up, shorty?
Cause there ain't no other place I'd rather be. It's only with you. Cause I've never felt the way I feel when you're with me. Either way, if it's hot or cold, it really don't matter to me. As long as you're with me, baby.
Hey, let's just get away. We'll hit the highway. Shorty, what you say? A private holiday, a secret hideaway. Watch your night turn to day. I'll take you to a place, put a smile on your face. We can stare into space on the beach by the lake, and I can hardly wait. Now pack your suitcase, I'll be yours, you be mine. Candlelight and wine, blowing bubbles in the bath. Get away.
Cause there ain't no other place I'd rather be. It's only with you. Cause I've never felt the way I feel when you're with me. Let's get away. If it's hot or cold, it really don't matter to me. As long as you're with me, baby.
Now where you wanna go? Let's keep it local. We could take a stroll in the park after dark, holding hands while we talk, staring at the stars. Hit the local malls, never mind what it costs. Show you how I floss in the city, I'm a boss. And I ain't spitting game, so meet me at noon. I'll scoop you in that coupe, get an ice cream scoop. Or we could lay low and just shoot a couple hoops. So what you won't do, it's all up to you. I want dinner for two on a patio roof, just enjoying the view. Never mind your curfew. We could cruise around the town with the top down. Park up in the lot and we could sit and talk. Or take you to my spot with the lights down low. Couple candles, I'ma be gentle. Take it nice and slow. Now where you wanna go?